No, I guess we timed out. Okay, this is the first one. You tighten. 87 inch-pounds. One. This one over here. Two. Three. And then you just go all the way around. This here you actually don't need. I mean, I'm sure there's a specification to it, but we're just gonna go by feel. And I guess we could do the same here. I'm pretty sure. Now, before you start the bike up, make sure you got oil in it. I drained mine completely out, changed the oil filter, changed the oil. I'm actually putting synthetic oil in here. I don't know if that was what was in there before. But, yeah, and that's pretty much it. You can adjust the clutch here. I pretty much had already adjusted it previously, but I can adjust it a whole bunch up there up top with the fine adjustment. Your clutch is going to be a lot stiffer now, a lot harder. 3.9 liters or 3.9 quarts completely empty is what it should take, so we're going to fill it up and see how many we can put in there. Make sure everything you do is clean and wipe down. Overnight, I actually soaked mine. Let me show you here. In a plastic bag in this metal bowl here. This way I've definitely, I mean, because I only used a quart of oil and it worked. But anyways, and I left it inside because here's what happens. If you leave it outside or when it's going to get moisture, what happens is if you don't cover it up, you'll get moisture in there, and you'll actually get moisture in your friction plates, and then you'll put the plates in, and then you start riding, and you wonder why your clutch is still slipping, because you got moisture in it. So I would just put it in, like, you know, basic room temperature, 70s, I don't know, between 72 and 70s, or I don't know, you know, average room temperature, we'll say. We gotta use this one. Make sure you wipe everything out. You don't want dirt in there. Here's what I'm using. Mobil 1 1048 synthetic. Honestly, I'd go full synthetic just because the other stuff is like crude oil. The non-synthetic or the half synthetic or whatever, and it's just really bad for motors. One quart. Two quarts. Alright, so that's 3 quarts. I'm going to put another half a quart in there. Maybe. That's a half a quart. I don't have a bike stand, so the only way I can check is to level it up this way. Okay. Now, see, right now it's kind of reading full, but there's no oil inside the, what do you call it? Oil filter. Now I'm going to add some more oil because I can't even see it down there anymore. So that means the oil filter sucked some of it up, which it's supposed to. There we go. See? So we're going to add all of it. 4 quarts. In a minute here, we'll go for a test drive. See if we got it all correct. We may have to adjust it just a little, but we'll see what's up for now. This was the oil before. You can see it's pretty black, pretty dark, nasty.